So today we have a very special unboxing today, and it is so special that I don't have any regular camera setup because one, my camera died, and two, it is such an absolute unit that I need to actually like condense as much as possible in this small ass room. So, but this is such an absolute unit. It is taking up half of my bed, and even Figment is like doesn't even like touch how big this is. Like, holy fucking shit. Really feels like I am about to give birth to a baby because it's so big. So I just did a little cut, and let's get to the opening process. So I actually got this from Ami Ami because it was the only place they have it, and with every order you get from them, you get a little card with like a comic on it, and it's really cute. Thank you for shopping with us. And I've actually ordered from Ami Ami before for something totally different, which it's nothing really special. It was actually just, oh, you know, Hitalia luggage tags. It really feels like I have discovered a treasure, and it is right beneath these paper, and we are going to dig everything out. Oh great, another box within a box. I did not expect this at all. Alright, so I got this box out. I assume this is fragile, and as you can see, this is a Hitalia World Stars. One count. I think this probably says kumajirou or something like that because I can't read Japanese honestly. But I am going to open this absolute unit up, and I actually thought Giant Kuma was going to be in that box, but I was wrong. Right, so I got this all open, and we are going to unearth what lies inside. Oh my god, I see it. I see it. We are just obstructed by more cardboard. Oh my god, there he is. He is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so precious. I'm gonna cry. He's so precious. But first, let me get him out of his plastic prison real quick. And I should definitely clean up after all this cardboard and paper and bubble wrap. Oh my god, he's so precious. So what you just witnessed is, this is Kumajirou from Hitalia. It's Canada's polar bear friend. And he is so soft. Oh my god. The stitching is amazing. Like, he has little embroidered paws on his paw on the top. And even the bottom has embroidered paws. This is amazing. The only concern I have with poor little Kuma is the blush that he has, which this kind of blush tends to wear out over time. This especially happens to other plushies like Al Picasso. This guy over here had blush, but over time it wore out, unfortunately. So the only way to like reapply blush is to use actual blush to put it back on. But this looks actually air sprayed, like with spray paint. And oh my god, I cannot believe he is right here in my life. And he has little beans on his paws, on the bottom, on the top. Oh my god, he is so precious. Oh my god, I cannot believe he is here. I'm literally gonna sob. Kumajirou Gaming, what is he doing? 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 I swear I'm gonna have way too much fun with Kumajirou. It's like, look at this friend-shaped friend. I'm gonna do so many things with him. Kumajirou, wave to the camera. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I have my own Kumajirou.